Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to Rabia Unfolded, your go-to place for easy, flavorful, home-cooked meals. Today, I'm going to show you how to marinate your turkey for the juiciest, most delicious stew. This method makes your turkey tender, flavorful, and ready for cooking. Come on, let's get started. First, I started by washing my already sliced turkey. I boiled some water and added fresh lemon juice and lemon peels into it. I also added a little seasoning salt to the pot. Then, I placed the turkey in the sink, making sure my sink drainage is closed, that way the water stays in. I poured the warm lemony water over the turkey, gave everything a good mix, and let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. After that, I gave it a good rinse until it was completely clean. Then I set it aside, ready for the marinade. Next, I placed the turkey in a large pot. And it's time for the magic, the marinade. I had my ingredients prepared and ready to go. Like, look how beautiful they look here. I put on my gloves and added in some ground onions, ground green herbs, ground garlic, ground parsley, ground ginger, ground white pepper, ground black pepper, smoked paprika, chicken broth mix, some salt to taste, and a mix of dried herbs like rosemary, parsley, basil, and thyme. And then, beautiful souls, I went ahead and mixed everything together thoroughly. Take your time here, beautiful souls, as you want every slice of your turkey to soak up all that flavor. For large turkeys, I like to double check the seasonings, especially the black and white pepper, so the flavors really sink in. I went ahead and added some extra black and white pepper just to make sure the turkey marinates so well. And once everything is mixed nicely, cover your turkey and let it marinate for at least 12 to 24 hours. The more time it marinates, the better. And this, beautiful souls, is the secret of a turkey that's juicy, tender, and packed with flavor. And it's just perfect for a stew. If you love easy, flavorful recipes like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos. And check out my other recipes on the channel. I have tons of tips to make your home-cooked meals shine. And yes, beautiful souls, that's it for today's marination video. Your turkey is now ready for cooking into a delicious, hearty stew. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you how to make the fried turkey stew with a rich, flavorful tomato sauce. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Rabia Unfolded. Cheers.